Hello there, my name is Kende Abolarin. Briefly, I just want to show you how to download images from Google and Bing. Images different size, image of different sizes. You can download large size, larger, bigger size, medium and small size. So the first step is that you log on to google.com. Just type google.com into your browser. I want to believe you already know how to do that. So you log on to the website, then the image you want to download, then you type the keyword. Let's say I want to download an image that describes somebody that is very happy, so I can just use variables, that is different keywords. I can just say a happy woman. Let's say I want to use a woman that is very happy and agile, then I will click on search. At times you don't need to click search. If your internet is very sharp, it will just load the keyword. I will just click on enter. Now there are two approaches to this thing. Now Google has a URL for Google Images, and if you don't want to use it, let's say you just want to use this google.com, fine. So once you type this keyword, a happy woman, then you just come to this site, then you come to this then you just come to this side and click on images. Then you click on images. You know this red is on web. If you click on news, it will display only news. If you click on videos, it will display only video. Then you just click on images. So after you click on image, display only if to display only, as you can see, a lot of women on this page. Then just look for the one that suits your assignment, what you want to use it for, maybe the article or a post or anything. Then you click on it. Once it is, to notice that this is not loading. You're going to know. See, look at this place. As you can see, it is moving under this image. As you can see, as soon as that thing stopped, the image got clearer. I don't know if you understand. Yes, it gets clearer. So what you just do is that you right click on the image, then you click on save as, then you click on save as. Then you can change the image name in this place to anything. You can say happy women 1. Then you click on save. So if you want more images from this category, then you just click on this one. As you can see, this thing is moving. This background, this bottom is still moving. Now as you can see, as soon as the bottom stopped, as you can see, the image became more clearer. And in most cases, if the bottom should stop and the image is not clear, that means that image can't be clear. Don't use it. But if you want to use it, fine. So you can just do the same thing, right click and save as happy women 2. Happy women 2. So I'm not going to be saving this one. So if you want to see how to save it, just reverse it and check the other one. And this is another one here. This one is extremely hard. This thing is still moving here. So as you can see, immediately it stopped, it became clearer. So you can just scroll up again and select any other image that you want, and that's it for Google. So if you click on any of these ones, this is a particular category, that is a happy black woman. This is what they are saying. That is a happy woman coat. That is what they are saying in this place. So if we click on this, it will display list of black women that are happy. As you can see, all these ones are black, but you might find some white there as well. These are black women. So if you want to use them, just pick them and use. That's it. So another thing is that you can just start for Google Images. I don't know the URL offhand, so just search for Google Images, then you click on web or images dot. So just click on it, it will bring, then any we bring out image. Let's say we want to say happy woman, so we click enter. So it's only, you can see it's the same thing. It's using the com and but it's not on the web, it's on images. So just look for the image, and you see this is another set of images, but some are just similar. It's the same thing, it's the same database. So that's it. That's it about Google. You just click on it. So it shows that these ones are what categories. If you say a happy woman jumping, if you click these ones now, you see a lot of happy women jumping, and happy business women, this one, and that's it. So the next one is as you can see, this is the image here. So just right click and click on save. So that's it about Google. So how about Bing? There is something that is unique about Bing, and that I really loved about it. I will show you that thing. On Bing, you can select the size of image that you want. You can select the size of image that you want. Quickly, while that one is loading, let me show you how to actually edit your images. How to edit your image. Now, this editing is going to be basic editing. That is how to resize your images. That is what I should call it. Resize. How to resize your images. Alright, this is what I want to achieve. So now these are the images we downloaded. Just right click on the image you want to resize, and after you've right clicked, you just mouse over to edit, then click on edit. So it's a load Microsoft Paint editor. So I'm expecting this one to load it. Alright, as you can see, the image is quite large. It's quite large. So what you do here is that you come to this resize, and you can either resize based on percentage here. Then you can reduce the percentage to 50%. If you leave this one like this, if you resize one of it, it will resize the bottom one as well. But if you uncheck this aspect ratio, if you increase this one, you can, this is a 501%, this is 50%, this is vertically, this is horizontally, but I like to use aspect ratio if I'm using percentage. So now this is pixel. At times you may want to resize image to like 600 by 300 or 1200 by 400. So if you have the image, you just uncheck this one, and then you put the width to, let's say it's 800 by 400. That is 800 wide, 800 pixel wide, 400 pixel tall. That is the meaning. So when you can come back to the percentage, it is 100%. You can come back to it. So let's say you want to reduce this, but if you are using it for article, for web article, I would advise that you just reduce it by, let me say 50% here, and see what it will look like. Let me use 70%. Alright, I think this size is okay. If you are using it for articles on post, I think 1000 by 587 is better for articles. So any image you want to use must not be lesser than this, must not be lesser than, if you are using it for blog post, so any image you want to use must be at least 1000 pixel wide and 500 pixel tall. So I would advise if you can just keep it this way, and just click on OK. Then that's it. If you want to rotate the image, let's say you want to rotate it to the right or to the left, if you want to rotate it and we want to make the edge to face this side, then you click on 90%. As you can see, the head is on. Then if you want to change the head back to the way it was, then you click on rotate left 90%. You can just take time to play around this paint editor, and you will see that you will be able to do a lot of things. You can write text on this image using this paint editor. You can just click on this letter here, then you click on where you want the text to appear. You can just note these little dots on the four edges of this box. You can click on them. As you can see, the moment this cursor change to double-edged arrow, you just click on it and hold it, then drag it. It will expand the box. Then you can type whatever you want to type in it, the image. Then after you've typed it, you can highlight it and make it bold. Change the text size. You can change the text size. I'm sorry about that, this software is not responding now, but don't worry, it will respond. So you can change the text size to, like, let's say 20, 24. You can there, and you can as well write it. Let's say you want to write 50, then that's it, but I'm not going to be using 50. Let's use 14. So you can highlight it and let's use 20. You can change the color while it's being highlighted to any color you want here. Let's say white. You can make it bold. You can make it not to have background. If you choose opaque, it will have background, but if you choose transparent, it will not have background. There's one rule to using this text. Once you click outside this box, the text will stiff. It will be flattened to the image, and which means you cannot edit the text again unless you click on your Ctrl and Z. That will be Ctrl Z. It means you have to start again all over. So if you are typing text that is more than one line, you make it one box for each line, so that it will be easier for you to edit, to work upon. So you can change the fonts in this place as well. Just take time to play around this paint editor, then you'll be able to do a lot of things with this, at least basic things. You can insert arrows. Just click on the arrow you want to insert and click on this, like this. It's a very simple image editor. You just click on it and you can as well do like this. That is it. Ha 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 ha. This is very funny. So that's it. If you can afford, Snagit is another software. Snagit is another software, very beautiful one. You can use it to edit image, but I'm not going to be covering how to use Snagit in this tutorial. But use Paint. It's okay. Then you click on close, and then you click on save. So you can then use that image to do whatever you want to do. Then you click on, let's back to the browser. Yeah. Now if you want to use Bing to search for images, the first thing you do is that you click on images. So you now come to this place and say read black woman. We might not get the right image, but just click on enter, or you click on about the ability size that you want. Married women for image as well. You just type image for big black woman or fat black woman. Then you click on size here. Then you click on large or extra large. Large or extra large. As you can see, large. Let's choose large. So it will reload the page. let's say you want to download. You click on the image you want to download, so it will image, so and then finally you can see you can right click on it and click on save image as. Then you can change this name, you can leave it like that, then you can save. It's as simple as that. If you want to choose other images, these are the images under this place. All you just have to do is to click on the one you want to select. As you can see, it's blur and now it's clear. This, you click on it, this one is clear as well. So you just right click and click on save image, then just follow the former step to edit it. If you want to edit, you right click, you click on edit. Then I will advise you that if you are using it for blog post, if you cannot really use that pen editor, just resize. As you can see, this image is too small. It's too small, so we must have made a mistake in downloading the image. Okay. Okay, these are large images. Maybe you should be, let us go and find extra large for you to, because if it is larger, but you will reduce, but if by the time you increase it now, these you can see these are their sizes. Let us choose this couple, so just to allow it to save as. You can change the name, you can leave it, then click on save. Then you can just go to where it's being saved and right click on it, then click on edit. Now this is extra large image. We're expecting it to be very large, so what you just do is that you reduce it to the size that you want to use. So it's actually loading the image. Alright, this is extra large. As you can see, it's very light and bright, very large and bright. Just come to this size. Before you choose pixel, I would advise that if it is very large, the first thing you need to do is to reduce it. You can reduce it by 50%. Click OK, and as you can see, it's okay like this. If you are using it for blog post, it's okay like this. This is 1000 by 19, it's okay. This is 600, it's okay. Just maintain the aspect ratio if you are using percentage, then you click on OK. But if you think it's too big or it's too small, then just click on Ctrl Z, or you come to this side, then you click on this undo. It will undo the editing and you can resize it again, and that's it. If you want to cut an element on this place, you can click on select, then you can cut the ant. If you want to, you just highlight it and click on delete. It will cut it and you can leave it like that. So I think that's a lesson for another day. Now I think we are done with this. If you want to choose any other image, just come to this place and select the image. Able to copy image, any image you want from Google and Bing. The images that are subjected to copyright will be there. You can give image credit. The copyright law says you can give image credit. You can give image credit. If you copy image from this place, all you just need to do is to give a link to the website. This is the website. You just copy the link and you say image photo credit, then give a link to the website. You can do it, you can leave it, and I think this will be the end of the tutorial. Thank you for taking time to watch it to this place. See you some other time. My name remains Abolari Kennedy. Thank you.